Yo, wow.
So what are you talking about?
Nothing. Nothing.
Oh, that was Daddy.
Man, I'm so lucky. I don't have any problem with Friday. Maybe because Mom made the day before I was born. I don't know.
Mantis, this isn't about you. Oh, it's the one.
I'm not freaking out.
Hey,
I'm freaking in.
Ho. We're here. Go and see.